Hello everyone to Gamity. I'm Mighty and so today we learn about how to move this square around the circle like this. So let's get started. First, for this we'll create a mono script. It's based on C sharp and we'll name it as weapon. So okay, you can touch the screen to turn it into 2x. Okay, so it's done. Uh, I'll also rename the square as weapon as I am using it as a weapon. So I'll just add this script here. Don't know whether there are two scripts. Maybe I should just remove one. Okay, fine. Now we'll double click it and it will open in the VS Code. So wait a minute. Yes, there is some error. Only showing. Okay, I don't know what it's showing here. What start. So first we'll declare the public statement for our transform. No, we'll just delete this. We're not using it. And transform. Transform, we're using it for to access the position. And maybe I'll say this. Here is the transform. As you can see, there are three types in it: position, rotation, and scale. So we'll be using all of this. So because of that, we'll use transform, and then we'll name something as like center object because it will be the center. Then we'll declare something speed of the rotation, rotation speed, and this will be the name. You can choose anything like speed or circular speed or something. It will work as the same. I will add speed at 200. Okay, then we create void and update. Update is a method which will allow us to make it happen in every second unity and it's a parenthesis for it because it is a method or function. Now we'll write our code inside it. First access the transform object and then oh unity why you are doing this dot I'll just fix it in the next video. Don't worry. Transform dot set. Don't know why it is doing this. Okay, I'll just keep it as it is and delete it and then transform that is T and we'll rotate around. It's from Unity, so we can use this and then it will rotate around function or something called help us to rotate around a particular object. So there are two things here. which will access position and rotation scale. I guess yes, scale. So three things we are accessing. First, we'll center object. This will access its position. That means when our square object will rotate, it will rotate around the circle because it will fix its position as dynamically. As if the circle is now here, the square will move around this, not like this. So that's the purpose of position. Next, we'll add vector 3 dot forward. Forward means it will move around the z-axis because it is x and it is y. So we don't want it to move around this or this. We want it to move around this. So if x, y, x, then it is will be z. So it will around move into the z-axis. If we write up here in case of forward, it will move around the y-axis. We don't want that, so we'll make it forward and then rotation speed dot sorry multiply rotation speed this, so we'll be multiplying 200f into time dot delta time. It will tell our code that how much frames per second it will move in a second. So we'll then add semicolon. This code is finished. We'll save it and then we'll move. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. It's time. Save. It is okay. Delta time. Okay, everything fine. I'll move. We're fine. If there's some error. Oh shit. So we have to start again. Okay, so don't worry. First we will declare public transform and then center object. Then we'll create public float rotation speed is equal to 200f. Then inside void we'll access the inside void we'll access the transform game object which will rotate as weapon. Rotate around, then parenthesis. Okay, we'll now enter dot object dot position p small here vector 3 dot mm, forward or z axis and then rotation speed dot time sorry multiply time dot delta time and then colon 20. There is a small error, so we'll delete the system numerics. And this is our time. Okay, so everything's fine. Go to Unity, update it. It will take some time. Okay, now here you can see center object. We'll add the circle here because it is the center object for our square. Let's place it here. Rotation speed is 200 and boom. As you can see, the square is rotating around the circle. Yeah, the job is done. Thanks.